What is the requirement to have a supplemental or special needs trust set up? Attorney Michael Camporeale explains that. The only requirement is that the person is disabled and is receiving governmental benefits as a result of their disability, be it Social Security disability and/or Medicaid. That disability would require them to have a supplemental or special needs trust set up for them. The disabled person requires special planning as opposed to an individual that is not getting any sort of government benefit and is not receiving disability payments from the government. The type of disability does not necessarily matter in a sense that as long as the person is disabled and is getting Social Security disability or Medicaid, the supplemental needs trust could be created for their benefit. It does not matter what type of disability that they are suffering from or what type of special needs that they have. The special needs trust essentially allows for a trustee to manage that disabled person's money and allow them to have the things that they would not necessarily be able to have if they did not have that money in the supplemental needs trust. Meaning that if they held that money in their individual name instead of having it placed into a supplemental needs trust, the disabled person would obviously get knocked off of Medicaid and or lose their Social Security income that they are receiving from the government because of their disability. In those situations, if their benefits are being obtained because of disabilities and were based on income level or asset levels, they would not necessarily be able to continue getting those benefits if they had assets in their individual name. So that is why you would want to have the supplemental or special needs trust in place. For a free phone consultation, contact the law offices of Michael Camporeale in New York at 718-475-9639 or visit www.mcamporealelaw.com. We have been helping clients for more than a decade.